is inside our gallery. We have started with our gallery, and the judges are choosing among the contestants the poster making contest. They're choosing who will be the winner. We have visitors here. We have from West Adels. We have the biker. And we have the pictures here. This is Moki. Yes. This is Mr. Ronald Recafort, one of the judges. Okay. One of the judges also is April. She's from West Adels.
May dapat sulok, paumas.
We have people from the snack booth, Moki. And here is Mr. Baang, our ever handsome boss.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Hello. We have our youth. We have our youth taking a rest. We have here our youth taking a rest. This is not a picture, this is a video. Here is Miss Jaja from admin. And we have here Uncle Job, our biker leader. Can the video? No, this is video. Video to video. We also have Mr. Henrik Ortega here, one of the judges, chairman from City Engineering Office. We have our special visitors. We have here Mr. Fernando Bohol. Nanay Gising is also here. We have Mrs. Francisca Santos, our special visitor also. And Miss Abe. Hello, Miss Ab. Ma'am Emily is here with our cute babies. Hello, baby. Mr. Baang, little girl. Yes, sir. We have Ate Agnes, Uncle Job, Mana Annie is very busy with the snacks. We also have the beautiful ladies here taking their snacks. Ubus na, waray na. Warak maka-snack. Warak pang maka-snack. We are approaching our booth. We have Mana June here. We also have Ate Merly. This is our booth outside. We have Olan. Ma'am Joy, Ma'am Joy. We have Mana Joy here, and we are selling plants. Plants are for sale. And we have the kids in our waiting shed, taking their snacks, taking a rest. Kuya Ariel. Lolo Ariel, Lolo Ariel. Lola Madel, Lola Madel. Video, naka-video. Yes. Sorry. Ma'am Jaja. No, video. We have Manadina. She is in charge of the poster making contest, waiting for the results. Together with Miss Jaja, they're still waiting for the results. Hello. Okay.